about integers in the last video. If you don't watch this video till now, see the description box. The video's link is given there. Please, at first, please subscribe my channel. So, let's start. Today I am going to solve some problems about integers. So, let's start. Number 1 problem. Arrange 7, minus 5, 4, 0 and minus 4 in ascending order and mark them on a number line. So students, at first we have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. That is, we have to arrange these numbers from small number to big number. So let's start. The numbers in ascending order are. So, what is the smallest number among them? See, I have already said that negative integers are always smaller than positive integers. So, here two negative integers are given, minus 5 and minus 4. So, what negative integer, minus 5 or minus 4? What is the smallest? So, we have to check the absolute value of these two negative integers. So, the absolute value of minus 5 is 5 and the absolute value of minus 4 is 4. So, what is the smallest? Whose absolute value is greater? This negative integer is the smaller integer. That is, absolute value of minus 5 is greater than absolute value of minus 4. So, minus 5 is the smallest negative integer. So, at first we have to write minus 5. Then, minus 4. Now, 0, then 4, then 7. You know 0 is smaller than 4 and 4 is smaller than 7. So, the numbers in ascending order are minus 5, minus 4, 0, 4, 7. Minus 5, minus 4, 0, 4, 7. Now, we have to draw a number line like this. Because they said mark them on a number line. So, we have to mark these numbers in the number line. So, at first we have to make a number line like this. Now, see, here 7 is the greatest number. So, we have to put the numbers up to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can continue, but this is not necessary. And in the negative side, minus 5 is the last. So, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. You can continue, but this is not necessary. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, here 0. At first minus 5. So, where is the minus 5? This. We have to circle this. Now, minus 4. Here minus 4. So, we have to circle this. Next, 0. So, here 0. So, we have to circle this. Next 4. We have to circle this. And next 7. We have to circle this. Now, we have to write above these numbers. Minus 5. This is minus 4. This is 0. This is 4. And this is 7. Now, this problem has been completed. So, go to the next problem. Next problem. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Rohit scores in 5 successive rounds where 15, comma minus 3, comma minus 7, comma 12 and 8. Successive means one round after another. Successive round means one round after another. What was his total at the end? So at first we have to write this statement. If these statements, Rohit, from Rohit to 8. Rohit scores in 5 successive rounds were 15, comma minus 3, comma minus 7, comma 12 and 8. You have to write this statement. But here I have not write this statement. After writing this statement, the total marks equal to, total marks mean we have to add these 5 integers. So 15 plus minus 3 plus minus 7 plus 12 plus 8. So at first we have to add 15 and minus 3. So what is the addition rule? If there are one positive integer and one negative integer, we have to subtract these integers. So subtract this 15 minus 3. What will be the answer? 12. And what is the sign? The greater, whose absolute value is greater. So whose absolute value is greater? 15 has the greater absolute value. So we will put the sign of 15. 15 has positive sign. So we have to put plus 12. Or you can write it as only 12. Next, plus minus 7 plus 12 plus 8. Next we have to add 12 plus minus 7. So same as 15 plus minus 3, we have to subtract 7 from 12. 12 minus 7, 5, and we have to put the sign of greater absolute values integers. So plus, because 12 has a greater absolute value. So we have to write 5, or you can write plus 5. Next, plus 12 plus 8. Now this is very easy for you. This addition is very easy. 5 plus 12, 17 plus 8. Next, 17 plus 8 means 25. So what is his total at the end? What is his score total at the end? So at the end, his total score was 25. So I have completed this problem. Next problem, we have to evaluate this value. So what is the question? Absolute value of 13 minus 5 minus absolute value of minus 9. So at first we have to calculate 13 minus 5. So 13 minus 5 equal to 8. So absolute value of 8 minus, what is the absolute value of minus 9? Absolute value of minus 9 is plus 9. That is 9. So 9. You can write plus 9. Next, what is the absolute value of 8? Absolute value of 8 is 8. That is plus 8 minus plus 9 or 9. You can write 9 or plus 9. So we have to subtract these numbers. So for subtraction, we have to subtract smaller number from greater number. So 9 minus 8, 1. And what will be the sign? What will be the sign? This means 8 plus minus 9. This is the same rule as addition. So 9 minus 8, we have to subtract this. 9 minus 8 equal to 1. And what will be the sign? The greater absolute values integer sign is the sign. So minus 9 has the greater absolute value 9 and 8 is the smaller absolute value 8. So 9 greater than 8. So we have to put the sign of 9 and the sign of 9 is minus. So the answer will be minus 1. Therefore, answer equal to -1. Now see, there are two statements. We have to write these statements are false or true. So first statement is 0 has no predecessor in integers. Predecessor means before number. So 0 has no before number in integers. Is it true? No, it is not true, because see the number line here, 0 and -1, -2, -3, they are all before of 0. That is, 0 has no predecessor in integers. This statement is false. Next, 0 is greater than every negative integer. 0 is greater than every negative integer. See the number line here. In the right side of 0, +1, +2, +3, and the left side of 0, -1, -2, -3, and dot dot dot, etc. So 0 is greater than every negative integer. Yes, I have already said that from left to right in the number line, the value of the numbers are increasing. That is, -3 is smaller than -2, -2 is smaller than -2, -1, -1 is smaller than 0, 0 is smaller than 1, 1 is smaller than 2, and this goes on. That is, 0 is greater than every negative integer. See, obviously sure, 0 is obviously greater than every negative integer. So this is true statement. Now see the next problem. Use the sign greater than, less than, or equal to in the box to make the following statement true. So what is the statement? 23 minus 41 plus 11. Then we have to put any one of these signs. 23 minus 41 minus 11. So at first we have to calculate this and this. So 23 minus 41 plus 11. See, 23 minus 41, this means 23 plus minus 41 plus 11, because minus is the sign of 41. So we have to add 23 and minus 41. So the same rule, follow the same rule. Now we have to subtract 23 from 41. So 41 minus 23. 18. So we have to put 18 here. And what will be the sign? The sign will be the minus. The sign will be minus, because minus 41 has the greatest absolute value. Now plus 11, and again follow the same rule. So 18 minus 11 means 7, and we have to put the sign of minus 18, that is minus. So minus 7. Next we have to calculate 23 minus 41 minus 11. Same, 23 plus minus 41 minus 11. So what will be the value of 23 plus minus 41? Minus 18. So we have to write minus 18 minus 11. So minus 18 plus minus 11, because minus is the sign of 11. So we have to add minus 18 and minus 11. So because they are in the same sign, we have to add these integers. That is 18 plus 11. And 18 plus 11 means 29. And what will be the sign? Obviously sign will be minus, because these two integers have minus sign, that is minus 29. Now minus 7 or minus 29, what is greater? See, what is the absolute value of minus 7? Absolute value of minus 7 is 7, and absolute value of minus 29 is 29. So minus 29 has the greatest absolute value, that is minus 29 is the smallest number among minus 7 and minus 29. Now see, this is minus 29 and this is minus 7. So minus 7 is greater than minus 29. So we have to put this sign greater than. So students, today we have done some problems about this chapter.